All right, welcome everybody. So then the next few minutes, we'll be working together as a team tech Nigeria Limited will be taking us through how to make our video become more powerful and to increase our viewers on YouTube channel. So with a little period of time, what are we doing together? So I want to learn how we are going to blast off our viewers on YouTube. Today I will be taking you to that section. I am Ebenezer Oyini from Team Tech, supporting us to get through this. Right, within few minutes of time, go with me together. So we have a lot of challenges where people are complaining that I've been on this channel for 1 or 2 years without having 2 or 3 people viewing what I've posted. Even you posted something within 3 months, you have just 4 viewers, you have 5 viewers. Sometimes it's not about the thumbnails, neither is it because of the description or the text or the title you give to it. So even if your content it's okay and you don't have the technical know-how, you still like not doing anything. Alright, go with me today. Within few minutes now, I will be taking us through how you can increase your viewers from 0 to 1 million viewers. All right, let's take a look at the practical example I'm going to use for us today. Um, and within few seconds or minutes, you'll be watching this. Make sure you watch till the end. Make sure you watch it to end. All right, let's go back to the practical section of this. So, and during the course of that, you can just go with the practical. Okay, I think you can see my page now. What's really happening on the page? That's the question. So what's happening on the page? I'm about to take us through the one by one steps on what you need to do to increase your viewers. All right, let's go. All right, that's the page already. So now what's happening when you post your work? You have your title, description on your details, and you have your video elements presently there. You have your initial checking, and the final point where we make this mistake is at the visibility stage. Now, what is the challenge? Most of us, when we post on YouTube, you go directly to public. No, it is not. So, working through public makes your work go to individual who may not likely need your work. Therefore, you will receive little subscribers. But immediately you are to post, you have to check in with these three tools. We have the private, unlisted, and public. When we say private, we are talking about you as an individual will be the only one to check what you have posted. Unlisted means anyone you share the link with will be the only one to have access to your work. And public means you want it to go viral. But there is a particular tools beneath it, which is one of the most powerful tools used by promoters and great men that works in this unit, and that's schedule. Now, what is the function of schedule? So schedule allow you to post your video. Maybe a time when you are not there, most of the time you may likely post something when you are still sleeping. You have scheduled it at that point in time, your work go viral. Now look at this video I want to post now. I want to have more viewers. I don't need to use the three tools above. I just need to schedule it. And what does that mean? Now let's go back to the schedule now. That means I'm going to pick a day. Now we have June 12th. Yeah, I have 11. I can decide to post it on 12th and I pick a particular time. Maybe I have the mindset that by 7 p.m. in the night, the work should be posted. Now, once I'm done with that, what you just do is to schedule. Click on the schedule. And what is it going to do for you is that once you schedule a particular video, it gives the YouTube ability to analyze the content of your video, and this will be able to be located to the right set of people that need the work being posted. And apart from that, using this will help your subscriber to receive a notification that you have posted a particular video. That is the rule. And that's why we have to work on the schedule. Now, when you work on this, it makes your work go more viral than expected. And once you are, I told you, just keep on work schedule and you are good to go. So, today I have shared with you how to increase your viewer. I am saying that you want to make your work go more viral on YouTube. You have been posting and you have receiving the back end of one viewers or two hours. So I'm telling you, if you think this has been a positive one to you and you have gained something, I will suggest please kindly like, comment, and you can also reshare with people. You may not know who you are helping by doing that. So I still remember my person Ebenezer from Team Tech. I said like, comment, and you can also share. You can subscribe to our channel, so this means for others to also know about us. When you receive notification, we'll drop our work every time. Thank you very much for being with us.